Welcome to CondoLogy.
Hi, I'm CondoBot. At this point, we can confirm that our expenses and that our payments are up to date. If we come here to the right, then we go down, we see there, in our monthly payments, that we are up to date. Okay, there are some that are biannual, which are payments that are in the future, but for the others, they are up to date. There, we paid for budget items. That means we have expenses. Now, we are going to collect contributions from our co-owners as well as the syndicates in a second step. So you remember, a few videos ago, we sent an annual contribution to go into the demonstration simply. But this time, we are going to go back inside our file, then we are going to go and update it. So our next reminder date for collecting the contribution will be the 1st of the following month. So, we will go to the month of November and there our file is in progress. And we will go down to the bottom, and we will say that the status of our annual contribution is received and up to date. So, for this unit, we received all the necessary information to be able to collect the condo fees, the common charges. Now, just as a demonstration, if we had received all our files and we wanted to update them all at the same time, we could say that all the annual contributions were sent on October 4th, and that the status of the annual contribution is to be received and up to date like the other. That's it. So we are up to date with our annual contributions. What does that mean? That means that we sent our annual contributions and that the co-owners responded to tell us how we were collecting the common charges, condo fees. We did the same thing at the syndicate level. So, if we come here in our report on the right, we will notice that we did the same thing. That means we sent it. And now, we will modify the status, so we can click on the line, and do, edit. Here is a new way to access the file. So, if we come here, we see the status of the annual contribution. It is received and up to date. This is for our syndicate. There you go. We could do the same thing en masse to update all our syndicates. This one is already done. We could do, edit. Here we do, status of the annual contribution. We say that it is received and up to date, and we will say that the date of sending the annual contribution is the same date for everyone. The 4th in fact apply. There you go. If we go to the right of the form, we see that the status is received and up to date in terms of the status of annual contributions both at the syndicate and condominium level. So we are ready to collect in CondoLogy, contributions and condo fees or common charges, we can call it what we want.